Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hello, and welcome to Novel Series Creator. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how you can create complete novels, ebooks, book covers, and social media content using AI, all from one simple dashboard. No writing experience required, no complicated tools, no spending hours, creating books manually. Everything is designed to help you create and manage your book content in just a few clicks. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. On the left side, you'll find all the powerful tools available inside Novel Series Creator. Let's begin with the Novel Creator. Click on Novel Creator from the left side menu. Here you can see your existing novel project's topic and available actions. To create a new novel, simply click Create Novel. Now you can enter your novel topic, choose your novel category, select from categories such as romance, thriller and mystery, fantasy and sci-fi, dark romance, short novels and novellas, and more. For this example, let's enter a topic. Now choose the category and submit. Within moments, AI can turn your idea into a complete novel concept. You can then manage your generated novel from the listing area, including editing, downloading, or deleting your project. Next, let's open the eBook Creator. Click on eBook Creator from the menu. Here you'll find your generated ebook projects. To create a new ebook, simply click Create eBook. Now enter your ebook topic. For example, and within moments, your ebook content is generated by AI. You can then access your ebook from the listing and manage your project whenever you need. Next, let's move to the Novel Cover Generator. This feature helps you create a professional-looking cover for your novel. Simply enter the details or topic of your book and generate your cover. AI creates a visual concept designed around your story. Now, you can create the book content and the visual cover without needing separate design software. Next, let's open Social Sharing. Here you can see your generated content and share it across multiple social platforms. Simply choose the content you want to promote and select the social platform. You can share your book or novel content across platforms including Facebook, X/Twitter, Pinterest, email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Messenger, and more. This makes it much easier to promote your books and get your content in front of more people. Don't forget to explore the bonus area. You'll find additional resources and tools designed to help you get even more from Novel Series Creator. You can also visit the Upgrade section to explore additional features and upgrades available inside the platform. Need help getting started? Simply click Tutorials. Here you'll find training and walkthrough resources to help you understand how everything works. And if you ever need assistance, simply click Contact Support. Our support team is available to help whenever you need it. Instead of spending hours writing books, creating ebooks, designing covers, and preparing promotional content manually, Novel Series Creator helps you. Create AI-powered novels, generate complete ebooks, create professional novel covers, manage your book projects, share your content across social platforms, download and manage your creations, access tutorials, bonuses, and support, all from one simple dashboard. And that's your quick walkthrough of Novel Series Creator. Go ahead, log in, explore all the powerful tools, and start turning your ideas into complete books and publish-ready content with AI. Welcome to Novel Series Creator, where your next story starts with an idea.